In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to thicken lines in Photoshop using a few simple and super effective methods. Whether you're working with shapes, text, or raster graphics, this guide will help you get cleaner, sharper, and bolder lines in just a few clicks. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick and easy Photoshop tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. Let's start with method 1, which is hands down the best option if you're working with shapes or text layers. First, go ahead and select the layer that contains the lines you want to thicken. This could be a shape layer, text layer, or any vector-based element inside Photoshop. Once your layer is selected, double-click on it to open up the Layer Style panel. Inside this window, look for the option called Stroke and enable it by checking the box. As soon as you turn it on, you'll immediately see a stroke appear around your lines or shapes. Now, all you need to do is increase the size value. As you drag the slider, you'll notice your lines getting thicker instantly. You can also adjust the position of the stroke. Set it to inside, outside, or center depending on the look you're going for. On top of that, you can change the color to perfectly match your design. One of the biggest advantages of this method is that it's completely non-destructive. That means you can always come back later and adjust the thickness without losing any quality. This is especially useful if you're still experimenting with your design or working on client revisions. Now let's move on to method 2, which is perfect for rasterized lines or pixel-based artwork. If your lines are no longer editable as shapes, this is the method you'll want to use. Start by holding down Ctrl and clicking on the layer thumbnail. This loads a selection based on the pixels in that layer. Once your lines are selected, go up to the top menu, click on Select, then Modify, and choose Expand. A small dialog box will appear asking how many pixels you want to expand the selection by. Usually a value between 1 and 3 pixels works great, depending on how bold you want your lines to be. After you hit OK, your selection will expand slightly outward. Next, go to Edit and click on Fill. Make sure your foreground color is set to the color you want, then apply the fill. This adds extra pixels around your existing lines, instantly making them thicker and more visible. Now here's a bonus method that works especially well for line art or sketches. If you're working with black lines on a white background, right-click your layer and convert it to a smart object. Then go to Filter, Other, and choose Minimum. Adjust the radius between 1 and 4 pixels to control thickness. You can also switch between roundness for smoother lines or squareness for sharper edges. The best part is you can double-click the filter later to fine-tune your result. So there you have it. 3 easy ways to thicken lines in Photoshop depending on your workflow. Use its stroke for vector layers, expand and fill for raster images, or the minimum filter for detailed line art. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Photoshop tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.